Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome to vlog 2, guys. So, outside, it is pretty damn bad weather out there. It's snowing. It's snowing. The snow slowed down a little bit. It's not snowing as hard, but it's still snowing out. So guys, yeah, it's still snowing outside. I'm not going out nowhere today. I'm staying right inside. And that's how we do it. Guys, I am about to go live on Fortnite. So be sure you guys are here at the Fortnite stream on my gaming channel. Austin does everything. So guys, thank you for watching. You guys are one of a kind. Smile more. No. You guys are beautiful. You're one of a kind. Austin Army.